Hi, this is Richard White with a 6-part introduction to spreadsheets. Spreadsheet programs allow you to display and calculate with data. Microsoft's Excel, Apple's Numbers, and Google's Spreadsheets are all types of spreadsheet programs. Here, we'll be working in Microsoft's Excel. Many of the commands available to you will be available in the menu bar here at the top of the page. You'll also want to be able to access the toolbars located here at the top of the window. You can turn the visibility of these toolbars on and off in the View Toolbars menu. In recent versions of Excel, there's also this strip along the top of the window called the ribbon. This too can be hidden or displayed as needed. Although different spreadsheet programs have slightly different appearances, everything that we'll be covering in this series is available in any spreadsheet program. Almost everything on a spreadsheet, labels, numbers, calculations, gets placed in a cell. To select a cell, you just click on it, and it will highlight to indicate that it has been selected. Cells are organized into columns, which run along the top of the table, and rows, which run down the side. Columns are identified by letters, and rows are identified by numbers. Here's the column B, and here's the row 5. We can identify any cell on the table then, not just by pointing and clicking on it, but by indicating its column and row, which is sometimes called a reference or a cell address. Here's the cell B1, and here's the cell D4. We can also select a subset of the spreadsheet by dragging over a range of cells. Here's the range B2 to E4. And if you need to select every cell in the spreadsheet, you can do so by clicking in the upper left corner here. And that's it for our introduction. In part 1 here, we've gotten oriented in our spreadsheet and learned how to reference cells by their column row addresses. Now we can move on to part 2, in which we'll enter data into the spreadsheet.